Here is a powerful trading strategy that could transform your trading to the next level. This strategy focuses on pure market structure and price action. First, to understand this concept, we will need to understand how a solid market structure looks like. The market moves essentially in two ways: the impulse and the pullback. The aim of this strategy is to identify the start and end of every impulse, then draw the Fibonacci from the start of the impulse to the end of the impulse. We will only look to take trades when price is within the 50% retracement level, and we will call this price discount zone. Note, we will need only two time frames for this strategy to work: a higher time frame for structure and a lower time frame for entry. Hint: make sure both time frames are far apart, like the 4-hour for structure and 15 minutes for entry. Now, let's head over to the chart for a practical example. To begin, we will need to mark out structures by identifying what the current trend is, so we can trade in line with price direction. Here we have our higher high and a higher low that just got violated with a candlestick close below, which is signifying a potential bearish reversal to the downside. So bearish trend found. Step 2 is to trace back to the beginning of this impulse, which is over here, and mark it. Then mark at the end of the impulse too, because this is where we will be taking profit. Step 3, draw and drag out Fibonacci from the start of the impulse to the end of the impulse. Step 4, wait for price to come back into 50% discount level before scaling down to our entry time frame for selling opportunities. As you can see, price is now within our discount level. Time to go down to a lower time frame for entry. On the lower time frame, we want to see either a strong wick rejection or a bearish market structure shift. A shift will signify bearish presence and confluence with our structure time frame. Here we have a strong bearish candle. I'll take my first aggressive sell here with a lower risk while waiting for a market structure shift. Now, break of structure spotted, waiting a bearish confirmation like we have right now. I will take second sell entry here and take profit at our resistance level. Remember, I said we mark the end of the impulse because that is the level we are interested in taking profit. Take profit hit. Let's do another example. Again, go back to your structure time frame. Clear everything and let's repeat the same process. Step 1, identify the end of the impulse, which is over here, and the start of the impulse, which is here. Mark both levels. Step 3, drag Fibonacci from start to end of impulse. Now we wait for price to come back into 50% discount level. Tap into discount level found. Time to go down to our entry time frame for selling opportunity. Remember, on this time frame, we are looking for first a bearish rejection or a market structure shift, as you can see over here. Strong wick spotted. We'll take my first aggressive sell here and mark level to wait for a market structure shift for second entry. Now, break spotted, wait for a retracement back for second sell like we have right now. Take sell and place stop loss just above level, and take profit hit. You can practice this strategy. Go on any pair of your choice. Pick either the 1-hour or 4-hour for structure. Make sure you zoom in and you will see this pattern appears at least 70% of the time. Please like, follow, and subscribe to my channel so I can keep bringing more amazing contents. Also, drop a comment on which trading concept you'll want me to share next. Bye for now.